It should be a prom look?
Yeah.
Like a neutral golden goddess prom look?
Yeah.
Prom goddess.
Prom goddess. It is a golden bronze prom goddess look.
Boom.
Fucking beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nakia Lindsay here, your girl here with a new video. It's been forever, literally. Just new things have been going on in my life. Like, what should I call this? I don't even know what I'm calling it. This is my quick, easy, golden goddess look. We gonna call it that. If you want to see how your girl got this look right here, keep watching. First things first, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Too Faced Peach Lip Balm and moisturize my lips. Don't judge my nails. I need a fill, but that's neither here nor there, so let's not talk about it. Thank you. Go ahead and prime my lids. I'm not going to use eyeshadow primer to prime my lids. I'm going to go ahead and use this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Amande, and I'm just going to put that on my eye as a base. Alright, so for this whole look, we are going to only use one palette so it can be nice and easy and simple. I'm going to go ahead and take the Juvia's Place The Warriors palette, which is this very nice neutral eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. The colors are Bomb Honey. Ooh. Taking this color, I'm taking this color Kano right here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. I'm not gonna swipe, I'm just gonna pat it as my transitional. Going back in with the palette, I'm going to take the color Bakwa. I'm going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm going to take the color India. I'm going to blend that right into the Bakwa color. Just going back in with that brush that I used for the first color, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it into the second color to make it seamless. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush by NYX, and I'm going to go in with the shade Mino, which is this dark black brown color, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the outer portion of my eye. just going back now to add a little bit more of India. Blend it. I go back in with the Kano color, the first color that we did, this one. I'm gonna go in and just add that right in between the Mino color and the India color, just a little bit. Dap, 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 dap. Just a little bit. Give my eye a little bit of definition. And then I'm gonna go back in with Kano and blend out my transitional color a little bit more. With Mino, just to darken this look up, because I do want it to be a little more smoky, a little more darker, nothing too dark. Telling y'all, this is the quickest eye I've ever done. I live for quick eyes. Like, blending is really key when doing looks, but if you can bang out that nice quick popping eye, sis, you are set, honey, because them quick eyes, they be turning out good when you like literally in a rush and I need a quick eye. Shoot. On highlight, I'm gonna go in with a Hosi, this color right here. I'm just gonna put that on my brow bone. So for my liner, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. I'm gonna use this Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner in the shade Trooper. I'm just gonna draw myself a nice wing. Okay, so I already applied my lashes. My lashes are just some lashes I got from the makeup show recently from Nigel's Beauty Emporium. So it's literally no name lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Man Eater. I'm gonna go with my Tarte Man Eater mascara and just blend in my natural lash with the false lash. Now moving on to the face, I'm gonna go ahead and push my bandana back because your girl is laying her edges. Don't want to disturb the edge laying process, honey, okay? So hopefully they come out right. I'm gonna go ahead and prime the face. This primer, this is my first time trying it, so hopefully that I like it. I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Face Primer. Everyone literally and their mama uses this, so I'm going in with this, the Milk Hydro Face Primer. This is a gripping primer, but I did hear it was a very hydrating, so let us see. I'm only gonna do 2 pumps, so let's see. It smells okay. It feels really good though. On my forehead. I'm gonna go in with my Lancome Teint Idol 24-hour wear in the shade 540 Suede W. This used to be my holy grail foundation, and then I ran out. I did have the wrong color, so I had to like mix it, use like, you know, magic, couple pumps. But this is my holy grail, my second holy grail that I haven't used in a while. Let's see how this Milk Hydro Grip Primer is with this Lancome foundation. I'm mad I didn't use it with my Too Faced when I got the chance, but I'll be rebuying my Too Faced foundation real soon, girl, real soon. My Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Mousse Concealer in the shade Toffee with my NARS Amande Concealer for brightening, because Toffee is a little yellow. Well, not yellow, but It's a little block underneath my eyes. And I want a little bit more brightness. So I let my concealer sit just like for a couple of seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. To blend it out, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Real Techniques blending sponge.
Yeah, let me get a bit. Let me see a minute, because my fiance, she don't know. Look, baby.
Tacos. Chicken? No, chicken can use it. Wait, chicken, steak. No, I don't want to. Yeah, go back. I don't want a salad.
Word, she's taking her time.
She ready. Word by word.
I don't know what I want.
Which one?
2 tacos. You surprised me. 2 tacos.
Surprise you? I hate surprises. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't.
2 tacos.
I got you, no problem. Love you. I'll be there in a minute.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, you guys. So I went and I blended out my concealer underneath my eyes and everything with my sponge. And I think my sponge was too wet. So my concealer started breaking apart and it was effing up. So I went in with my Morphe E21 brush, which looks like this. It's like slanted. It's like my favorite brush for like under eyes concealing and everything. So I just went in and I blended out my concealer with this Morphe E21 brush. Okay. I'm just gonna go back in with my Instapop face brush and just go over the edges of the highlighted areas. To set my highlight and everything, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Terracotta powder. I've never used this powder before, so let's see how it works out. Cotta powder, dust off the excess. And set my under eye with this. So this terracotta color is actually giving me like still the enough brightness that I like. Because when I conceal, I don't really use that light of a concealer, so it's not really that bad. I'm gonna go in and set my whole face with my Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder in the shade Dark. I'm just gonna use this to set my whole face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off of the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Whatever Black, and I'm going to line my waterline with this pencil. Back in with the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go ahead and take all the colors that I used on top and place them on the bottom. So we're gonna go in with the Bakwa shade, and then we're gonna go in with the India shade, and then we're gonna end off with the dark brown shade. Okay guys, so my camera like died, sorry, so I went in to finish off the look, the rest of the face and everything. I went in and I contoured with my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee, and I highlighted with my NARS Orgasm blush, which looks like this. Also went in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminator in the color Lit, which looks like this. For bronzer, I'm trying out the new Hoola Toasted Bronzer, Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer. It's actually very dark. It's more on the reddish tone, so it does have a reddish hue. It looks like this. I used it, this is my first time using it, and I also used it to contour my nose, which I really like my nose contour. So we'll see how I like it in pictures for my face. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX lip liner in Espresso. Matte bullet lipstick. This is in the shade Interview. Looks like this. Nice. My Dior Lip Maximizer. Come on. My Dior Lip Maximizer, which is basically like a lip plumper, hyaluronic lip plumper by Dior, and this is in the shade 012. I don't know the color, but the number is 012. And I'm just gonna add that on top just to give my lips a glossy effect, because I don't want matte right now. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think of this look down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Follow me on all my social media sites. They will be listed down below. I will list all the products that I have used in this video down below, just in case you missed it and you just don't feel like going back to look at it. If you haven't already, just click right here and go look at my previous video. It should be like right here. I think it's right here. It's gonna be right here? No, I think it's gonna be right here. So just go ahead and click this. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.